A. A for anole. B. B for bittern. C. C for clam. D. D for dipper. E. E for edible. F. F for forest. G. G for grey fox. H. H for hairy frog. I. I for Indian fox. J. J for Japanese food. K. K for kestrel. L. L for loon. M. M for mayfly. N. N for nightjar. O. O for oilbird. P. P for pika. Q. Q for quillfish. R. R for red kangaroo. S. S for sweetie. T. T for tiger cat. U. U for upland. V. V for voice. W. W for wombat. X. X for X-ray. Y. Y for yellow car. Z. Z for zebra.